Hi friends, my name is Sidra. Today I will tell you how to make a chocolate ball. For making chocolate ball, we need Mary biscuit and cocoa powder and milk maid and grated coconut and sprinkles. I have made Mary biscuit into powders. Then I will add 2 spoon cocoa powder. Now I will add 4 spoon milk maid. Then I will mix it well. Now I will take small piece of it and make it ball. Now I will dip this ball in this milk maid. Then I will roll it in this grated coconut. I have made 5 coconut balls. Now I will put this ball in this milk maid. Then I will roll it in this sprinkles. I have put sprinkles here. Then I will put these chocolate balls. Now our chocolate balls are ready. If you like these chocolate balls, you can make it at home. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.